Okay, students, your percentage gets over. Let us begin next question of arithmetical problem, that is profit and loss. This particular concept already you are knowing it. You have the conception on this aspect. Till as it is in syllabus, we will learn once again. We will revise once again, recollect our previous memory, and we will add on some of the some more idea, and we will learn nicely about this profit and loss. See, children, before we move on to the subject, now I am supposed to give you little introduction of profit and loss. Means what are the learning objective are there in this lesson? First of all, cost price. The key terms are cost price, selling price, profit, loss. This much only. Then profit percent, loss percent. Then how to find out CP when profit or loss percent given. How to find out SP when CP and profit and loss percent given. Could you understand? These all things we learn. See, first of all, it begins with, it's a term of businessman actually. While trading only, these all things happen. Cost price means naturally if you are buying some commodity and the money you are spending to buy a commodity or the buying price or the purchase cost is termed as cost price. We will not say it as purchase price or buying price. We will say a standard word called cost price. Okay, now if you sell some item, that is called selling price. I hope you have understood. Means on selling the commodities, whatever the money we get, the trader get actually, that is selling price, and what are the money while buying he is paying, that is called cost price. See, in between these two transactions, and this cost price will be abbreviated as CP and this will be abbreviated as SP. Between this selling price and cost price, in these two transactions, something is happening. What is happening? Either profit or loss. See, money transaction is going on. Say CP can be more or SP can be more. When SP is more than CP, SP is more than CP. That is what is the intention of a trader. SP should be more so that he can gain some profit. That time it will become profit. What will be the profit? SP minus CP. That money will become profit. Could you understand? And profit percentage, how will you count? See, profit, amount of profit, that means this. That is equal to profit. If you abbreviate as P, then P. Amount of profit will be profit, amount of profit divided by CP into 100%. CP into 100%. Remember how to find out profit percent. Could you understand what is called profit and how to find out the profit percent? You are knowing it. Now I am just giving you the idea so that you can recollect your previous year's memory. Now loss is what? When SP is lesser than CP, or CP is better will be CP is greater than SP. CP sometimes will be greater, sometimes selling all the commodities you will not gain money, sometimes you have to incur loss also. So loss is also a part of trading. Could you understand? So CP when it is more than SP, that time loss will be there. What will be the loss? CP minus SP. Could you understand? And loss percent, how will you count? As the way you have counted profit percent. Loss amount divided by CP into 100%. Only thing to remember, it will be divided by CP only. Loss percentage also will be divided by CP, and profit percent also will be divided by CP. Now, how will you find out SP when CP is given and profit percentage is given? How will you find out the selling price? That's a very important aspect. If you say profit percentage as R, if you abbreviate that one, R, let it be profit percent. Therefore, SP will be 1 plus R divided by 100 whole multiplied cost price. 1 plus R divided by 100 whole multiplied cost price. That can be said as, if you simplify this fraction, it will be 100 plus R by 100 into CP. I think it will be easy to remember this. 100 plus R. R is the profit percent. Could you understand? When you are that will be the SP. Could you understand? How will you find out the CP? From this formula you can very well take out as CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus R into SP. Could you understand? So you must remember these two formula, especially if you do not remember that one. Otherwise this and this you remember. Could you understand? Now in case of loss percentage and CP, one of the thing is given, CP or SP is given. Here in this case CP is given, SP you have to find out, and profit percentage is given. Here in this case, SP is given and profit percentage is given, you can find out CP. Now similarly, when the loss percentage is given and CP or SP given, other one you have to find out. How do you do? SP, if you have to find out CP is given, then 1 minus R by 100 into CP. That can be simplified as SP is equal to 100 minus R will be the numerator divided by 100 into CP. Now CP will be similarly, if you do this from this linear equation solving, CP will be 100 by 100 minus R into SP. R is the loss percentage and SP is given. CP you will have to find out in this through this formula. When CP is given, SP you have to find out this formula. Could you understand? Now if we move on to the exercises will be very simple. See question number 3. I have taken question number 3 said that CP is given and SP is also given of camera. Then you'll have to find out the profit percentage. Therefore, CP of the camera is rupees 5,400. SP is equal to rupees 5,850. So SP is more than CP, isn't it? So SP is more than CP means what? SP is more than CP means profit. So profit will be there. So profit how much? SP subtracted CP. SP subtracted CP is the profit. So if you subtract, you will find 450 rupees is the profit he gained on the transaction of trading. Profit percentage will be what? Profit divided by CP. CP of the camera was 5,400. Profit was 4. Profit came 450 into 100%. If you simplify, rupees will be cancelled. This 0 will be cancelled with 100. This 2 0. 18 3s are 54 and 18 25s are 450. 25 by 3, which is equal to 8 whole 1 by 3. I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to question number 3. CP of 1 lemon. See, actually what has happened, the trader has purchased paying rupees 6, 7 lemon he has got. He purchased 7 lemon. Cost price of 7 lemon is equal to rupees 6, and selling price of 6 lemon become rupees 7. Definitely he gained some profit, isn't it? So cost price of 1 lemon and selling price of 1 lemon you take out. So cost price of 1 lemon will be definitely rupees 6 by 7, because 7 lemon cost was rupees 6. So 1 lemon cost will be rupees 6 by 7. Got it? 7. Now 6 lemon cost was rupees 7. Therefore 1 lemon cost will be rupees 7 by 6. So 1 lemon SP, 1 lemon CP you have taken. Definitely 7 by 6 is greater than 6 by 7. Therefore he gained profit. What was the profit? Rupees 7 by 6 minus rupees 6 by 7. If you do the subtraction, you will find 49 minus 36 by 42. That is 13 by 42 is the profit. He got the profit now. Now profit the trader got. So you need to find out the profit percentage. What is the formula? Profit divided by CP. CP in this case was 6 by 7. 13 by 42 divided by 6 by 7 into 100%. 13 by 42 become, this fraction will become reciprocal 7 by 6. And then if you simplify, you find 325 by 9, because 7 can be cancelled with 6. 6 will be with 2. 3s are 3 will remain, so it will become 50. Again 50 will be 25, and here 3 3s are 9, and you multiply 13 into 25, you will find 325. 325 by 9 is equal to 36, so 1 by 9. That will be the profit percentage. Now what the second question of this sum is, he needs to gain rupees 65 profit. 65 rupees he needs to gain profit. How many lemon he used to sell? See, by selling 1 lemon, how much was the profit? Rupees 13 by 42. So 13 by 42 rupees is the profit by selling, equal to 1 lemon. Therefore rupees 65 is the profit by selling. Lemon is equal to 1. Then this fraction will become reciprocal. 42 by 13 into 65, that will become 210. So by selling 210 only, he will get 65 rupees profit. I hope you are understanding. Now I have taken question number 5. This is a very interesting question. The SP of 25 ball is equal to the CP of 15 ball. So what was his profit or loss percent? It's a very good sum, very tricky sum. In this case, no, you let the CP of 1 ball is equal to rupees 1, or let the CP of 1 ball is equal to rupees X. If you take it, will be easy. How easy you see? Let the CP of 1 ball is equal to rupees 1. I didn't bring Mr. X because no need. 1 rupee will be better in calculation also. Let the CP of 1 ball is equal to rupees 1. Therefore, CP of 15 ball will be definitely rupees 15, and CP of 25 ball will be definitely rupees 25. Isn't it? Why you are taking the CP of 15 ball and 25 ball? Because there is a concern to me for this question. Now, SP of 25 ball is rupees 15 because the condition given for SP of 25 ball is equal to the CP of 15 balls. So, SP of 25 ball is equal to rupees 15. But the CP of 25 ball is equal to rupees 25. That is why I have taken both. Could understand? So, SP of 25 ball is equal to rupees 15. CP of 25 ball is equal to rupees 25. Therefore, 25 is the CP more. Therefore, it will be loss. Loss will be how much? Loss will be CP is greater than SP. Therefore, loss will be rupees 25 minus 50 rupees 10. Loss percentage will be rupees 10 by CP. CP is equal to 25 rupees 10 by rupees 25 into 100%, which is equal to 40%. I hope you have understood it. Go through this sum. It's very interesting sum. Now, moving on to question number 9, I have taken SP of a dressing table is given to you and profit percentage is given to you. You'll have to find out the CP. I said this formula. SP is given to this formula. You have to find out the CP 100 by 100 plus R into SP. If you do it directly, otherwise put in this formula. Very well you can do this in this formula. SP is given to you. CP you have to find out for the linear equation. Okay. I have done making it more simple. 5 to 1. This formula I have done it. So what you CP of the dressing table will be 100 by 100 plus R into SP. That formula I have written once. So 100 R is 76 by 4. 100 by 476. If you simplify this fraction, you will have 476 by 4 into this is yours SP. So what will be the CP? If you simplify this, no, it will be 400 divided by 477. It will become 477. 477. This is 77 only, obviously here. It is 77 by 4. Here also 477 by 4. So 400 by 477. 4 and 100 will be cancelling with 4. Then 477, if you divide, you will find 1575. 4 into 1575 will become 6300. 6300 will be the SP. I hope you have understood. Go through. I will understand. Once again, I can narrate this. Calculation is little tougher. We have to do this division I did in the working column, the rough column I did it. That is why it was possible. 477 can equally divide. Otherwise, go for small division. This can go with 3. This also can go with 3. Then you go subsequently, you will find this. Then the answer will come. Calculation is little tougher. The things are very simple, but you need to remember the formula and you need to implement the proper formula in profit and loss.